When the Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, first went public with the call to Islam, the very first person to scoff at him and chastise him was his very own uncle, Abu Lahab. Almighty God reveals the following verses in defense of his Prophet Muhammad. He says in Surah Al-Masad, "Ruined are the two hands of Abu Lahab, and he himself will be ruined." Despite Abu Lahab hearing these verses be recited, he never took it as an opportunity to discredit Muhammad's message. You see, had he chosen to convert to Islam, even if pretending to do so, even disingenuously, this would have called into serious question the truth of the message. But did he do that? Of course he didn't, because the Almighty, who revealed these words, knew that he would forever be too proud and too prideful to do just that.